Okay guys, I got 2007 Toyota Tundra 5.7. I got this misfire right here. The misfires in cylinder 2, 4, 3, 5 and 6. I replaced the spark plugs because the spark plugs so I replaced the spark plugs because, as you can see, they were really damaged. So, but after I replaced the spark plugs, I still have the misfire, and with misfire on cylinder 2 and 4 and 6, 5 and 6. So I check for evap leaks, or I also check the fuel pressure, but everything is good. So I went down to over here. So I removed the oxygen sensor and also removed the oxygen sensor that's up there, that one right there. So the thing is that these catalytic converters are not good, so we need to replace it. Let me show you. Okay, so as you can see, this catalytic converter is turning really red, and this one too right here. Okay, so the misfire is because the catalytic converters are clogged, so we need to replace. As you can see, this really red one right over there. And this one it's okay, but we need to replace that too. These on both tanks. So you can see it's right like that. So you got those codes, guys. First check the spark plugs, make sure they're good. If they're good, check for evap leaks. If you don't have any evap leaks, just check your fuel pressure, and if your fuel pressure is good, check your catalytic converters. Or you can check the catalytic converters first, and if the catalytic converters are good, maybe the fuel, or you got an air evap leak there, or so either way, guys. So you got any questions? So for today, the solution is for this misfire is to replace the catalytic converters on this truck. So you got any questions? Just let me know.